I'm going to show you how you can turn on regular lights on Assetto Corsa EVO in just a few seconds. If this is helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and leave a like for more. So to do this, what you need to do is find the key first. So you need to manually do this by going to your settings, then going to controls, and once you are here, you need to select the controller you are using. So it might be a controller, a gear shift, or the keyboard and mouse, and then search by action name. We need to search for light cycle 1. This is what will turn on the lights. So you need to click here and it will say to press a button. So now just press the button where you want to bind this action. And now we can also click here again and select if we want this action to trigger on press, release, hold, constant, or repeat. So for example, if you set on hold, if you hold this key for, let's say, 1 second, like this. Now, if I press the up arrow key for a second, it will turn on the regular lights. Now, if I want to change the binding, I can click here, clear the binding, and do it again. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.